if you have a problem with Terabox app network connection, or there isn't an internet connection on your Terabox app, there's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. First of all, make sure that you have a powerful connection. You can go ahead and click your Wi-Fi and select a powerful Wi-Fi, or you can just go ahead into your cellular data. I'm going to stay on the Wi-Fi and I'm going to click cellular data. I'm going to turn it on and try to browse your Terabox app. All right. Another way of fixing it, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. And then what you're going to do next, go ahead to the general and then iPhone storage. I'm going to try to pin down the Terabox. And I'm going to scroll a little bit down. You're going to see right here Terabox, and I'm going to upload the app. And by uploading the app or clear cache, you will release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. You're going to be able to reinstall it once again, so you can basically fix the problem afterwards. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.